This is my happy place. Welcome to the Fortees Nature Park. Dire ni unahan lang sa Georgetown or tapat lang sa Georgetown. This is the parking lot in the Fortees Nature Park. Okay, this is the pathway that you're gonna see inside the Fortees. Here's the signage. Pool area, and then amenities, jungle, natural pond. Uy, kawa bath? As in, kawa bath? Wow! Diba? Gwapo ba yung ilahang mga paradise? Grilling area, playground. This is just one of the beautiful places and spots here in the Fortees Nature Park. They have a pond. This is a natural pond. You can see, if you look closely to it, you can see a lot of fish. And then there's just a lot of different varieties of flowers. There's Mayana, different colors of Kuleos. There's the perennial flowers, different trees. Those yellow ones in there, makita ninyo sa Amerika, perting daghana na it turns yellow during fall season. So nice kayo siya. Muna siya ang naka-contribute sa fall foliage kana ng mga trees. It's nice. It's like there's really a jungle everywhere. There's jungle everywhere. You can hear the birds chirping. Beautiful flowers, trees, the water. It's pretty. This is one of the beautiful spots here at the Fortees, the park under the trees. What kind of trees are these? I think lanzones, and there's the, what is this? Basta nice kaayo kay it's so comfortable, it's so fresh in here, so naturey. Look at these trees. Oh, they keep planting even if they already have a lot of trees here. And then in there you can see a lot of flowers. You can go there, there's a chapel, there's a bridge and everything, so it would be very nice, you know. Somebody's taking a photo shoot and a video shooting. See, it's really nice, you know. This is my happy place. In there's the parking area, super nice. There's their function hall, super big. There's the horticulture garden, and then there's the cottages. There's a swimming pool right there, so you can take your kids with you, go swimming in the pool. They have a lot of cottages in there under the trees, so it's not gonna be hot. And you have the mountain heat there. They said it's a prayer mountain, so you can just climb there if you wanna, you know, trek a little bit and then get a vantage view of the park, the nature park. And then there's a lake right there on that side. Not a lake, but it's a pond, a natural pond. You can see a lot of fish. And then there's a lot of like platform in there under the trees. This is the jungle area. It's very cold there, so really nice. You can just roam around without getting bored. Take your food with you, eat, have fun with your family, enjoy nature, everything, you know. You guys should visit.